Hey friends, we are currently here in the adventure van. We're getting ready for another mountain bike trip, this time out to Bentonville, Arkansas. So of course we had to get some new threads for the experience. On today's quick video, we're gonna be taking a closer look at Club Ride clothing. Now, this clothing is super durable. It's made for adventures, made by mountain bikers and cyclists just like you and me. For today's fit, I'm wearing the Shaka shirt with the Gold Rush pants. Now these, again, like I said, highly durable, perfect for the conditions that we're currently riding in here in Colorado. It's muddy, it's dirty. We need stuff that's really gonna hold up against all of those conditions. All right, so let's take a closer look at these Gold Rush pants. Now, tons of really cool features. First of all, I absolutely love this color. This is their cappuccino color, again for the Gold Rush pant, but they have a ton of different styles and color palettes to choose from. Really nice modern colors, really dig that. So again, we have a lot of different features. We have multiple pocket styles to choose from up here. Now these are not zippered, so if you need a little more secure storage, we do have a little side pocket down here that is zippered. Also, you can see the knee panels here, which offer a ton of stretch material in that knee plate to allow, again, for riding, for stretching, for doing all sorts of rugged adventures. So great feature. We have another panel down here at the bottom where the cuff is, and that's gonna allow for even more stretch. Now, one of the things that I would have liked to see on this pants is a little bit more of a tapered feel. It has a little bit of a baggy experience down at the bottom. Again, I'm a size large. I'm 6 foot and I'm a waist 34, and these size large fit really nice. But if I was gonna take these on a mountain bike ride, I really would like these a little bit more tapered. So again, that is about my only complaint. Although again, for other adventures, these things are gonna fit perfectly over my boots. Now inside the cuff is a really cool feature. You can see we have this button snap strap, and that means you can fold up the legs, and then here's the little snap button on the back, and that'll allow you to cuff things really nicely, again, made potentially for those rides or other versatile experiences that the pant can offer. Now on the back, you can see we've got a little Club Ride logo on the back pockets. Again, not zippered, so do be careful with wallets and things like that in the back. Again, you can see that nice big paneling for stretchability. And then again, on closer inspection, you can see that the material is slightly ribbed looking. Now this is probably my favorite part of the pant. What you can see here is we have these extra adjustable straps. There's one on each side, and basically this allows you to really dial in your fit. But if I wanted this a little tighter, I can take this buckle, move it all the way over into this sleeve here, and it's just going to make the pant a little bit tighter, as you can see on this end. You can move that up and down in those different slots to really dial in your specific fit. Now, there's a few other noteworthy features about these pants. First, they're red light reflective. The high performance fabrics are quick drying, and they have a ton of stretch. Again, that's super important for our adventures. It's also water resistant. That means it repels water, mud, and dirt right off of the fabric. Again, really perfect for our shoulder season riding out here in Colorado when things can get a bit muddy. And finally, check this out. It's UPF 50 rated, which means it blocks 98% of harmful UVB rays. We like to be out in the sun as much as possible, and this is going to keep us from getting sunburned. Now, Club Ride makes a ton of different styles. Styles are going to be perfect more for the conditions like we're going to find on our van trip to Bentonville. If you're interested in all of the things that they have to offer, you can go check them out right here on Amazon.